Are you ready to unlock the full potential of affiliate programs and skyrocket your profits? Look no further. We will dive deep into the realm of effective strategies for maximizing profits with affiliate programs. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced individual seeking to enhance your affiliate marketing game, this comprehensive guide is tailored just for you. Benefits of implementing effective strategies. By implementing these effective strategies, you can expect a myriad of benefits and advantages that will revolutionize your affiliate marketing efforts. First and foremost, these strategies will help you optimize your revenue streams and maximize your profits. You'll gain a deep understanding of how to leverage affiliate programs to their full potential, allowing you to generate substantial income. Additionally, these strategies will empower you to build strong and lasting relationships with your audience. You'll learn how to create engaging content that resonates with your target market, establishing trust and credibility. As a result, you'll witness increased conversions and higher affiliate commissions, paving the way for long-term success. Types of affiliate programs. Now that we've explored the benefits, let's delve into the realm of affiliate programs. Would you like to focus on a specific type of affiliate program, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or another well-known platform? Alternatively, are you interested in a broader approach that encompasses various affiliate programs? Whichever path you choose, these strategies are designed to be adaptable, allowing you to apply them to different types of affiliate programs and platforms. Emphasizing practicality. To ensure you gain actionable insights from this guide, we'll emphasize the practical aspect throughout. You can expect a combination of practical tips, step-by-step guidance, and real-life case studies that illustrate how these strategies have worked for others. By providing you with concrete examples and actionable steps, we aim to empower you to implement these strategies effectively and witness tangible results. Effective strategies for maximizing profits. Now, let's unveil the effective strategies that will help you maximize your profits with affiliate programs. We will explore each strategy in detail, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of its implementation and potential impact on your affiliate marketing journey. 1. Niche selection and research. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing campaign. We'll guide you through the process of niche selection and research, helping you identify lucrative opportunities that align with your interests and expertise. By finding a niche that combines high demand and low competition, you'll set yourself up for success right from the start. 2. Building a solid online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for affiliate marketers. We'll share expert tips on creating a professional website or blog that serves as the hub of your affiliate marketing activities. You'll discover the key elements of an effective website, including compelling content, user-friendly design, and seamless navigation. We'll also explore the power of social media and other digital channels in expanding your reach and engaging with your target audience. 3. Content creation and optimization. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. We'll unveil strategies for creating valuable and engaging content that captivates your audience and drives conversions. You'll learn how to optimize your content for search engines, ensuring maximum visibility and organic traffic. We'll also discuss the importance of diversifying your content formats, from blog posts and product reviews to videos and podcasts, to cater to different audience preferences. 4. Effective affiliate product selection. Choosing the right affiliate products is crucial for maximizing your profits. We'll guide you through the process of product selection, helping you identify high-quality offerings that align with your niche and audience's needs. You'll learn how to evaluate product viability, commission structures, and conversion rates to make informed decisions. Additionally, we'll provide tips on promoting multiple products and utilizing upsells and cross-sells to boost your earnings. 5. Building trust and credibility. Trust and credibility are paramount in affiliate marketing. We'll explore strategies for building a strong bond with your audience, establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. From transparent and unbiased product reviews to providing valuable educational content, we'll show you how to earn the trust of your audience. Additionally, we'll discuss the power of personal branding and storytelling in forging connections that lead to increased conversions and long-term customer loyalty. 6. Effective promotion and marketing tactics. Promotion and marketing play a vital role in driving affiliate sales. We'll delve into various tactics and channels for promoting your affiliate products, including email marketing, social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising. You'll gain insights into crafting persuasive copy, optimizing landing pages, and utilizing data analytics to track and optimize your campaigns. By mastering these tactics, you'll unlock the potential for exponential growth in your affiliate earnings. Unlock your profit potential. Congratulations! You've now been equipped with a comprehensive arsenal of effective strategies for maximizing your profits with affiliate programs. Whether you're a beginner venturing into the world of affiliate marketing or an experienced marketer looking to take your earnings to new heights, these strategies are designed to empower you. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. As you implement these strategies, adapt them to your unique circumstances and stay attuned to the evolving landscape of affiliate programs. With consistent effort, a deep understanding of your audience, and the application of these effective strategies, you can unlock your profit potential and embark on a prosperous affiliate marketing journey. So, go forth with confidence, embrace these strategies, and let your affiliate profits soar. The world of limitless possibilities awaits you.